Hiya, welcome to the Rum Box unboxing for March 2022. No groovy box, just a plain cardboard box. But inside the box, there's a pretty little glass and a pretty little pussycat. No, he wasn't in the box. He lives here. Bless him. So, yeah, so cute little glass, first of all. Then we also have some snacks. Merlin likes snacks. Roasted peanuts from Premium Paz. So, nice big bag. Little mixers, skinny ginger ale. And another one exactly the same. We then have another bag of snackies, which is Sabre Smith's Wagyu beef, honey and mustard flavour. And that one's got a cow on. The other one had a pussycat on. So then the most important part is the Rumty Tum Tum Tum. This is 86 Friends Honey Spice Rum with orange and cinnamon. So I haven't seen this brand before. It's on Rum Company or something. Not available on Master and Malt at the moment, I can see. About £38 a bottle. So be looking forward to trying that. Oh, trying to smash things about. And then also you got a little box of yumminess, a banana rum. Certainly looking forward to that. Like a banana rum. And then we have a rhubarb and apple gin. Not rum, but gin. So little QR codes and things for that particular company. And there we are. So this is £39 for the box. Definitely worth its value, without a shadow of a doubt. Merlin thinks it's superb. You're so cute. So definitely be looking forward to drinking this little lot. So please like, subscribe, and chin chin.